Congratulations, SIATech class of 2020. You made it, you graduated, despite all the odds. Just think about it. Global pandemic, mandatory stay-at-home orders, obviously the protest over the death of George Floyd. A lot has happened in our country in a short period of time. And what I'm most proud of is you went back and never gave up and got your high school diploma. I always tell kids that's the most important thing, to finish and graduate high school. And for some of you with children and families and jobs, it was difficult to go back, but it's so important. And remember, it's not where you start, it's where you finish at. So continue what you're doing. Some of you will go on to career technical education, some will go on to college. Just remember to always have confidence in yourself, always have faith, and be ambitious. It's okay to be ambitious and think highly of yourself, to go ahead and finish and make those accomplishments. Some of you thought you would never reach this day, and you did, through sheer grit and determination. So keep doing what you're doing, be excited, and most of all, you're all young, so be ambitious and have goals and succeed in life. God bless you and enjoy your day.